Yes, guys, today is Sunday. This is the week for July. Sunday, the Sunday week of July. We are dressed up like this, guys. Happy Independence. We're going to church. So we're going to be going to the kids' feast for 3 days. Right? Right? Putting red, blue, and white. Yes, you have something to say? Nice. Yes, that's good. Yay. So happy to be at church. Yes. Viviana, I'm taking a video of you. Look here. Red. Red. Up. Zaya, you ready? Yes, this is the 2nd of July. We are going to Kids Fest. Yes, we are going to Kids Fest. All right. What do you have to say? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
Going to Kids Fest. I like you guys, your outfits. Look so cute. I love you, my babies. Oh, I love you. Yeah. You have to be the video. Take. I like your hoodie. Yeah, there come big brother. There comes Sissy. Yeah. Yeah. We made it in time for games. This is day 1 at the Kids Fest. It's going to be 3 days. We are going to get our face painted. We're going to be changing our outfits. Which one do you want? On those 3 days. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Pick for Aviana. Oh, Aviana wants a car. Okay.
Try that picture.
What did you decide on? A car? I have a car?
Yay.
Oh my word!
Yay.
It's time for face painting.
Myra
got
so
a cup and Josh is getting the car.
Which color do you want?
And during this time, they do Bible
yellow.
story for the kids. Each color, what it represents, which is so good.
That's not the end of the story. What a nice head.
Yeah, so pretty. Yeah, looking cool. Pretty, so pretty. That's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. You look so pretty. Amazaya, I like your car. Look here. Yay, so pretty. It's so good. Yay! You get a prize. Yeah, put it. Yay!
Well, you gotta pull your white potato. There we go. Oh, you wanna go here? All right, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, strong now. Wanna go here? All right, here we go. Okay, there we go. You got 4 in a row. Good job, Bryce.
Eviana? So hard, huh? Did you do that one? This one? Go play. Go play. Yay! Yay! Amaziah, wait. Yeah, wait for Eric to play. Yeah! Really? Is that the way you're going to play? Ah, you almost got it. Yay! Try, try, try.
We're usually never here in the fourth floor. Are you gonna color too? Over here.
It's just making a mess.
That's okay. He can make a mess. That's fine.
Good job, Viviana. Are you okay, baby? So we show.
Come over here. Come over here. Come over here.
It's kind of the same history table, but it's one of these. So there's those, or there's one on this side.
So pretty. Yeah. Josh, that's so pretty. I like your picture. Viviana, I like your picture. Yeah. after that, we went to the park so that we can have more fun. All right. Yeah, I see him with his weird face.
Imagine everyone saw that and like, whose baby is that? He looks weird. I don't like it.
You are the what?
I'm gonna jump up and destroy every other.
Never. All right.
I done that. I'm thinking because then you make me fall.
Yeah.
You're so right. There's a chair there, Mommy. Look, there's a green chair.
Drum, drum. Then you come slide. Yeah. Eviana, come here. Come slide. Come. Hey, go. Yay. Hey, Vienna went on a small one. Uh-oh. Go up, up, up. Go. Go. Amazaya, look here. This is 2nd of July, day 2, and we start off with a word of prayer before we do any events on that day. Guys, I hope you enjoy this video.
I want to tell you right now. Good job. Really good. Right on. So, way of something like this happening, but like Chuck said, I am has ordained it.
Yeah. That's the way you're gonna play? Yeah. 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 Get another one. Up. Yay. Yay. Put it. Ah. Yay. Push, push. Yay. Yay. Hey. Yay. Yay. You won. Yeah. That's cool. All right. All right.
Means we're growing, we're learning more. Means Jesus said he'll never leave us or forsake us.
Yeah, that's a good sword. I like it. Yeah, it's so beautiful.
I love your shirt. Freedom to rock.
Yeah. Yeah. You almost got it. Samazaya, you got a Lego set. Today was a funny day. Are you happy? That's cute. That's great. Now let's go get in. No, stay here. Mazaya. Amazaya. Yeah, Mazaya. Ooh. Look at that.
Board person and the guitar. So come with me.
Wow. You're gonna make that with Daddy when you get home. There goes my heartbeats. There goes my heartbeats. This is day 2, 3rd of July. Look at my babies. You always have fun, right? I love you, my habits. I love you so much. There we go. Amaziah, look here. Yay! Right on top. Yay!
Okay guys, today is the 3rd of July and we ended our day with music in the evening. Part 2 for 4th of July is gonna be the next video. Please don't forget to watch it. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.